Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. Let's provide solution. Very quickly, now we have given a 9 power x equals 36. Now, what can we do? At this stage here, we have to apply logarithm. Logarithm of a 9 power x equals logarithm of 36. Now here, logarithm of 9 power x will be a logarithm of a 4 times a 9. Okay, whereas here logarithm of a 9 power x will be logarithm of a 4 plus logarithm of a 9. Then x logarithm of a 9 will be logarithm of a 4 plus logarithm of a 9. In order to find the value of x, we have to divide logarithm of 9 on both sides. Logarithm of a 9, logarithm of a 9. By simplify, then to get x equals logarithm of 4 to the base 9 plus 1 as value of x. But always have to check out if our answer is correct. Then here we have a 9 power x equals 36. Now here we have a 9 power logarithm of 4 to the base 9 plus 1 equals 36 question mark. Now this will be a 9 logarithm of 4 to the base 9 times 9 power 1 equals 36 question mark. Now we have same base to mean that we shall get 9 times a 9, 4 times 9, which is 36 question mark. Then 36 equals 36, then left hand side equals right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.